It is our last full day here in Langkawi, Malaysia. We just spent most of the afternoon at this lovely beach. It was really nice. Tonight we're actually gonna go to a night market, which would be really fun. I haven't gone to one since Bangkok and before that Cambodia. They were so amazing, so many tasty snacks. So I'm excited to see how the shopping is, how the snacks are tonight. And then tomorrow we're heading on to Georgetown, which is another sort of mid-sized city in Malaysia. And we're actually flying there with V and Chris, which will be our first flight all together, which will be super cutesy, super, super nice. And MacKenzie just got me a matcha. Queen. On a side note.
How pretty is Malaysian money? Wait, that's not even the pretty side.
That one's cool with the birds.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
they have such beautiful artwork on them.
And these are the low bills. Some of the higher ones have like gold etching on it.
Yeah.
It really is. I think some of the most aesthetically pleasing currencies. I also really like the size. Not too big, not too small.
Just right. Cute.
First thing we're trying is, it looks like popcorn chicken from KFC. Yes. Super spicy, or like has a bit of a spice to it. Not super spicy, but a bit of a spice. Really crispy, really delicious. Honestly, an 8.5 out of 10. Also, this one was $3.50 Malaysian.
Ringa.
Ringa. Ringgit? Oh, ringgit. Not
ringgit. Ringgit.
And now this is a chicken satay. Good. Good peanut, good chicken, but not as good as we were at a little cafe the other day. That one was better. So I'd give this one a 7.
How much was that one? That was...
How much was this one? 150? No.
What even?
70 cents.
That's 10 won.
Like 70 cents.
70 ringgit cents.
Yeah. Translation on the screen.
Alright, next we're gonna try these crispy potatoes. Those look amazing. They got some sauces on them, I don't even know what, but...
Is that good?
Heel lekker. It's got kind of like a sweet and spicy sauce.
This big one.
Maybe like a cheesy sauce if I'm
Yeah,
not
I
mistaken.
think you're a cheese sauce.
And like a mayo style sauce.
Yeah.
But all together, the flavor's really balanced. It's kind of sweet and tangy.
What would you rate it?
Probably like a 7 out of 10.
Oh,
I wish the potato
a
was
7!
I wish the potato was a little crispier.
Yes.
but I do like it. The flavors are working. This was...
I wonder too if the swirl would be crispier because they were bigger. Yeah, thinner.
This was how much was this one? 3 ringgit.
Okay, we came to this place because there was a huge line. It's still long. So we figured if this many people want it, it's probably good. They have quite a system here where they put it on the plate, move it down the line, and then the guy at the end dumps it in the bag. And then they put the plate back. This is our plate. It looks so good. Okay, so how they put this, you saw the process a bit, but you have it on this elastic, and then it's like a little package, and you open it up, and ta-da! Oh, that chicken almost went flying. Okay. And we're ready. We're ready. We're using Jonathan saw people using gloves because there's no cutlery. And I said environmentally friendly. But then we put a bunch of eggs, so maybe not. Okay. Very tasty. This is for sure the best of all the things we've eaten, I think. Like the flavors, really good. It's like a pickled cucumber vibe, so delicious. The rice is super well seasoned. The chicken is crispy, amazingly seasoned. 10. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah.
Wow.
You should try. It's very, very hard to eat. I would say like rabbit, like very like
Intense.
yes.
The vibe from the beef.
Oh, fine.
Oh, that's nice. It has a specific spice in there.
Almost vinegary.
A little bit warm too, like the seasoning
Yeah.
tastes a little bit warm, like fall flavors, but make it Malaysian.
It's like spicy and sweet at the same time.
Yeah.
Not cinnamon, but like almost
I mean nutmeg maybe?
warm, like nutmeg or something. Yum.
Chris is going for a different method, a make your own chopstick method.
It's innovative.
Honestly innovative.
That's the beef.
Doesn't want to get, very clean.
Try it.
What would you rate it?
Going all over our scooter seat. This is the life.
That's okay.
The veggies too.
Yeah.
I agree with the 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I agree with the 10 out of 10. I'm done. Thank you. Have a good night. We reached it.
I think the lesson learned here is if there's a long line of local people,
Go with
get
it.
in it.
This was 11.50 ringgit. So about 2.5 euro.
Woo.
Period.
Because we've been hanging out with these guys for a while now, we speak in euros. We convert everything to euros instead. Sometimes you get a table, and sometimes you have a scooter, and that's just the way it is. V said this was her favorite meal she's had
Yes, for sure.
in weeks, you said.
It was very good. It was like
Yeah, so if you come to this specific night market on a Tuesday, find the stand with all the people and live your best life.
it doesn't even have a name. Just to stand with the line.
Yeah, just the stand with the lime and the big vats of sauce and say, give me what you have.
I'm with your scooter.
Come with your scooter, maybe bring a fork and knife if that's your vibe. Otherwise, get some bags.
All you need is a bag.
It's the experience, I think. Chocolate on it, John?
Yeah, I'll take chocolate. We're gonna try these little chocolate pancakes. We're calling them poffertjes like the Netherlands, but I don't know what they're called in Malaysian. We'll see. We'll see how they are. These are good too. Very good. It really does taste kind of like a pancake, but smushed together
With chocolate.
with chocolate.
What are you rating it?
It's also a 7 for me. 7.
What do you rate it?
More than 7.
9 out of 10.
9.
That's looking
Whoa.
Alright, I have been waiting to try a drink in a bag because they're quite common in Asia. And I'm trying, oh, she's spilling a bit. This is the struggle of a bag. I'm trying a lychee mojito. Let's try it. That's freaking good. That's so good. Straight out the bag. That's an 8 out of 10. Has little bavits too. Yum. Yum.
And not the bit. How's your coffee? Use a bucket.
Very good.
This
Cheese.
is a cup the size of her torso. And then I got a...
Wow.
Oh! How is it? Good?
And how's yours?
It's good. It's very sweet but good.
The ice will continue to melt. Yum.
It's a dessert.
Yum.
Okay, well, thanks for coming on a little taste test.